What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd do a fun little video of me teaching you guys how to drive stick. A lot of you guys have been asking, how do you drive stick? Well, we're teaching you today. So get in your car, let's go, put your shoes on. Okay, pretty much when it comes to driving stick, it's very simple. All it is getting down the motion of doing this and learning where the clutch engages. So that's very important to know where the clutch engages. So I'm used to it already, so like I can hear the car and like I know when to give it gas and stuff, but you'll start learning that once you like get the hang of it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get in your car and you're gonna practice figuring out where the clutch engages. So what I do is I put my foot on the clutch, you're gonna put it in first, and you're gonna let off the brake and you're gonna listen. Ready? See how it's wanting to go? That's the engagement point. So that's where you're gonna give it gas to go. You just want to sit in your car and practice that. So letting off the clutch. Ready? See how it's going? That's where you want to give it gas. I recommend is practicing that a little bit. Go somewhere where it's like even in your neighborhood, or maybe in like I'm in an area where there's no cars really driving around, and this is where I actually learned how to drive stick in my car. So that's what you're gonna practice. And we're gonna take it onto actually driving and rolling, and that's when you're gonna want to give it gas. So we're gonna put it in first gear, make sure no cars are coming, listen, and then that's where I give it gas. I shift at 3,000 RPMs. Put the clutch in, give it gas. You're in second now. Good job. Doing a good job. You can first practice going first to second and just stop and practice the stop and go, because the stop and go is the hardest part. Everybody mostly struggles with, but once you get the hang of stop and go, it's pretty simple. And it's pretty basic. People overthink when it comes to driving stick that it's really difficult, and honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's so simple. So now I'm going to show you with my feet. We're going to put it in first gear. See, it says first. We're going to look down here, and as you can see my feet, let off the clutch, and as that's going, I'm gonna give it gas. See? Giving it gas. And here we go, second. Give it gas again. Okay, so once again with our feet, I'm giving it gas right now. We're almost at 3,000, and then shift. Once again, we're going, clutch in, shift. Giving it gas. Pretty smooth, as you can see. And I'll go to fourth gear just so you guys can see. That one was a little rough, but I'm trying to film and do this at the same time. Let me show you guys where the gears are. If you look on the shifter, it's going to tell you exactly where everything is. It's crazy because on my Subi, the reverse, and my Mustang, I think, the reverse was you'd pull it up and you'd go this way, but we go that way. So this is first right there, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then sixth, and then neutral, and then reverse is going to be all the way. As you can see, my reverse is on, but every car is different, so just because my car's like this doesn't mean that, you know, your car's gonna be like this. But yeah, and that's pretty much it. Literally a quick little 2-minute video on how to drive stick. I promise you guys, the more you practice, the better you'll get at it. It's really super easy once you get the hang of it. So get out there, practice driving stick. You guys got this. I believe in you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.